Welcome back to my channel. My name is Alexis, and today I have a first impression / review on the new Morphe palette, which is the 35V palette called the 35 Stunning Vibes palette. Comes with 35 colors, ranges for about 25 bucks, and I got this at Ulta, and they usually have a coupon, so you are able to use coupons on Morphe at Ulta. Just saying. Yes, I only stand queens and kings. I did do this look featuring the palette as well, so if you guys want to see how I did this look and also my thoughts on the whole 35V palette, then just keep on watching, and if not, then you know, I'll see you guys next time. If you guys don't want to watch it, that's fine. Okay, bye. Hello. So today I'm gonna do the review, or like my first impressions on the new Morphe 35V palette. Like, I literally haven't even opened this. Like, right here, you don't see none of those creases, nothing. So I just picked this up like not too long ago. I just haven't had the time to make a video on it. You're like, I don't even want to open it. Well, I'm going to. I've seen like the shades on their little catalogs. I got this at Ulta because girl, coupons. And this one ranges for, I believe, about 25 bucks. Okay, so it looks like this. I'm already getting my fingerprints on it. Oof. Okay, so it does come with like the paper that tells you all the shades. There's like Heartbreaker, Lust, First Date, Shameless, Vixen, Turned On, Rendezvous, Addicted, Wild Thing, Swoon, French Kiss. Ooh, Morphe, you bad. Oh, these are so pretty though. There's like a lot of nudes. There's the mauves, the roses, the browns, very warm tone colors. And then there's some of the greens, the teals, the blues, the purples, one black, which I appreciate because I always need my eyeliner color. And they have highlight colors, all the good stuff. Oof, what a beauty. I just want to like swatch this one really quick. I really like these colors. These are like one of my favorites to wear, like for every day. So let me see, let's see the pigment. Ooh. I barely swatched it too, so it's like, let me see if I can see. I can barely see it, but maybe because if I swatched it a little bit more. I want to swatch the purple. Next finger. Ooh. Look. Let's see if it comes up pretty on my hand. Oh, you can barely see it on my hand, but like in person it looks almost like holographic, honestly. Ooh, I like that though. They're very easy to, ooh. Yes! I want to see this blue now, hold up. So anyways, the colors that I'm swatching, that burgundy color was called Tryst. And then that purple was called Crush. And then the blue that I'm going to swatch is called Rendezvous. This one right here. I'm gonna swatch this one. This is the one I did swatch, and I did swatch this one. So next finger, I'm gonna take this blue. Ooh. I don't know why it comes up differently on my hand. Well, obviously it's not my eye, but I really like, it comes off like, it doesn't really come off as that color, which I'm surprised. It comes off more greenish. I'm still gonna wear it. Ooh, if you put some like setting spray on it, that would look pretty. I kind of want to use that burgundy color because there's two of them. They look kind of similar, but they're not. They are not. So I'm gonna use those and probably use that purple as an eyeliner color on the bottom. They have a lot of transition colors, which I really like because I feel like those are the ones I always run out of the most. Out of the 35 shades, they have 17 that are shimmers and the rest are matte. That's not bad. Not bad at all. Proud. And I like the shimmers. It's not like I'm like, oh, I wish they were all matte. Nah. If you want it all matte, get the 35N. That's the tea. I really do like these shimmers. I kind of want to test the power of the shimmers really quick before I start making the look. Kind of want to try this one right here in the middle. And that one is called Heartbreaker. Ooh, it's very shimmery. It looks like almost rose gold. Like on my, well, it is like a rose gold color, obviously. But like on my pinky, it really comes off like that. See right here. I don't think you guys can see it, but I hope you guys can. I hope I'm not just looking like, just posing my hand like this for the hell of it. Anyways, I'm gonna use that color too. Okay, and I'm gonna use that black for my top liner. The blue is really pretty though. You know what? This whole palette's beautiful. Let's just face it. It's called Hit It Off. That one. It's very like, it's just toned down. That's the word. That's blue, and I think that one will look really pretty for like the winter time. I'm gonna do more of a pop of color look, but with a very muted eye. Well, for me, it will be muted. So I'm gonna go in with that first color that I swatched with, which is Tryst. And I'm gonna take it on my Morphe B84 brush, which is just a flat shader brush. Ooh, that packed on a lot of color and I barely touched it. Oh, but first, I gotta prep my eyelid. I'm gonna use my e.l.f. HD concealer today. I really have been liking this whole concealer. I've been using it for like maybe 2 weeks already, and I really like it. Like, I don't have very oily eyelids, so my eyeshadow doesn't crease as much, or if anything, so I can pull off just leaving it with just the concealer and some powder. And then let me see if there's a shade, because I like setting my concealer. Oh, they do. Okay, so I really like going with like it's kind of like a skin tone shade to just set my concealer, and I do have one. I think I'm gonna mix these two and just pop that on my eyelid. And I'm just taking this on a Real Techniques brush. Again, I'm going in with Tryst. Ooh, that's pretty. I'm just packing on as much color as I need to. Honestly, the pigmentation is not that bad. I kind of want to see how that one looks though, and how different it looks. The one that I said that almost looks similar to the color, which is Wild Thing. I'm gonna do one eye to see if there's like a difference. You know what I mean? Ooh, there's a lot of fallout though. I mean, it could be just because I did add that next color of why it looks somewhat different. I feel like this color, the one I just watched, it has a more reddish undertone, while the other one had a more pink. Not that I don't mind both of them. If I ran out of one, I have the other one right there. But I mean, I like it. I feel like they are different though. Again, like on camera they might look the same, but in person they do look different. So then I'm gonna take a blending brush, and this is just from Morphe. I'm gonna take a transition color, this one underneath that rose gold color. But anyways, that color is called Turned On. Just put that on my crease and just blend, blend, blend. Even when you think you're done blending, keep blending. Okay, and then I'm gonna take my all over blending brush. Again, this is the Morphe M533, and I'm just going to use that to blend. I'm gonna just take that same tapered brush, that Morphe one I just used. I think I'm gonna go in with Seduced. So I'm gonna put this on the outer corner. Then I'm just gonna take my blending brush again and just blend that together, just on the outer part. I'm gonna use an eyeliner, and I'm gonna use the same brush I always use, just like this really small, just like it's a flat brush, I'm gonna go in, oh, I should use a brown, but you know what, I'm not. I'm gonna go in with black. I wanna see how, because I feel like sometimes with eyeshadow and the black eyeshadows, I feel like sometimes they're not black enough. Ooh, no, that's black. Ooh, no. Yes! Listen, Linda, I have many things to say about this palette, and I'm very proud. So I'm just going in with a wing, like always. So now I'm done with the eyeliner. I'm just going to go in with some shimmers now. I'm gonna use my finger for this though, because I feel like I can always pack on the like more glitter with my fingers instead with a brush. So I'm gonna go in with that rose gold color, or Heartbreaker, and I'm gonna apply that towards the inner part of my lids and work it towards the outer part. But yes, that pigmentation. I love the way this looks, like with these colors. I'm just going to take that same B84 brush and I'm just going to use the brush now to pack on a little bit more. If you want to make the outer part a little bit darker, I think that's what I'm going to do. So I'm going to go in with that color that I did want to use, which is, I think it was Addicted. Yeah. It's going to darken up that outer corner a little bit more. This one is darker than Seduced. Ooh, I really like this color though. Ooh, I'm going to wear this next time. And then I'm just going to use that highlight color, wipe this color off because I don't know what happened to all my brushes. I need to go back to Morphe. I'm gonna go in with Knockout, which is this just very, very white shimmer color up here. And I'm just gonna use that to highlight my brow bone. I'm just gonna comb my eyelashes and put my eyelashes on, and then I'll be right back. So I'm actually gonna wet my brush a little bit. I'm just gonna use the NYX Matte Finish Spray. I really don't care, it's just water. And I'm gonna take it on this Morphe flat angle brush. Wetting that just so nothing goes flying all over the place. So I'm gonna go in with that purple, which was Crush. You guys, Crush, he's doing his tour. I really want to see him. I want to see the Holy Trinity. If you guys know what that is, leave that like. So I'm gonna just put that on my lower lash line. You guys, this purple reminds me, I don't know why, of Hocus Pocus. I'm really excited to keep watching, to like watch that movie again. Just gets me in the whole spirit. Then I'm gonna take a little small dome brush. This one's from Morphe, and I'm just gonna use that to blend. And the reason why I didn't use this brush for purple is because I just found it right now. Then I'm just, for the inner part right here, I'm gonna use that rose gold again. I'm gonna take it on this from the same brush, the little dome brush, and I'm just going to pack that on in the inner corner and just blend it in. And then I think I'm gonna go a little lighter just right here, and I'm gonna go in with Three Little Words. Just going to pat that onto my brush, and I'm just gonna take that and put it right here. I think I'm gonna bring in that purple underneath the eyeliner a little bit and just blend it out a little bit. Ooh, yes! Then same on this eye. So basically I'm just taking the brush and I'm basically just bringing it out underneath the liner. So listen, Linda, this palette. Pros and cons. Pros. Well, actually, let's start with the cons first. Don't really have a lot of cons. Color wise, I think everything's really nice. Like I probably will use every color in this palette for the fall. I mean, they're all fall colors, let's be honest. Some winter. The only thing is that I wish they had included a more cool tone brown, so I can have a color for my eyebrows. That's really it. Pigmentation is really good, I'm not gonna lie. I mean, for the price that you pay for and the colors that you get, everything's really good. I stan Morphe. I only stan queens and kings, let's be honest. That's really it. I mean, I have a lot of pros, honestly. I mean, first of all, I love my burgundies. I love my pop of colors, so I can only use just that one palette, and I can take with me on the go. I can take with me just one palette and I'll be good, and this will probably be it. I do like they have a lot of shimmer colors. I like they have a lot of transitions, blues. You know, it's really hard to get the good blues in a palette, and I really like that they did include at least 4 of those. Actually, there's 5 if you include this one. It has bits of shimmer of purple, and I really appreciate that. You know, you don't really get a lot of purples, which I appreciate, and the greens. I really like this green. It's like a forest green, and I really, oh, yes. Kings and queens. I don't really have a rose gold shimmer color because it's not something that I always look for, but I like that they included it. I didn't really get a lot of fallout, and usually with Morphe, my eyeshadow stays on all day anyways, so I don't really worry about how long it's gonna stay on my eyes, how long it's gonna start creasing. But yeah, I feel like I can do so many looks with this palette. I'm really excited, you guys. I'll probably post some on my Instagram, just of looks that I have done with this palette, and if you guys want me to do any more videos on that, I will. I don't mind, honestly. Anything, I would say to come pick this up because it is a very everyday palette. So it is a 35V. Stunning vibes. Stunning vibes. But yeah, I hope you guys did enjoy this tutorial. I hope to see you guys on my next video. You know, leave down in the comments any kind of videos you guys want me to do. Give me some DMs on Instagram of any kind of videos you want me to do. I will see you guys next time. Yeah, I hope you guys did enjoy this look though. So just hit that like button if you did like it. Hit the subscribe button if you want to see more videos from me. And I will see you guys next time.